it's the Honey Queen. It's fall season, yay! Now we can put up all our harvest things to cook. Today I'm doing honey drizzled butternut squash. So be sure and get your butternut squash, get your Cox's honey, olive oil, cracked pepper. I like Himalayan salt, but you could use any salt. And here's some optional things you can use. I'm just gonna do the basic today. You got basil, garlic, thyme, rosemary, cinnamon, Parmesan cheese, or parsley. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to peel the butternut squash. So I have steps to this.
Slice off ends. Peel until the flesh is removed. Poke with a fork to release moisture. Cut in half the long way. Scoop out the seeds, and the seeds can be roasted. Slice. Cube. About 1-inch cubes.
And that is how you peel and cut up a butternut squash. This is only half right now. I'll do the other half later. And like I said, you can cook this just any optional thing you want, or I'm just gonna do the basic. After we bake this at 450 for about 30 minutes, I'm gonna flip it halfway for 15 minutes. I'm gonna flip it over. You can put this in the freezer. You can seal it tight and use it in soups. I call it my 4 S's. Soups, salads, sauces, and sides. There we go. Okay. So we put some olive oil on it. Toss it. You could do it in a Ziploc, but I like to save on stuff and things. Next, you drizzle it with Cox's honey. Again, you can toss it if you want to, or you can just let it go with the ride. I like the Himalayan salt and the cracked pepper. Like again, you can use any option you want. Again, it's up to you if you want to toss it or just let it go. We're going to put it in a 450 oven. And we're going to set the timer for 15 minutes, because I'm going to toss it in between. Alexa, set the timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, set the timer for 15 minutes. So flip it, but you might want to check it just a little earlier because things burn quickly with honey. And that's a wrap. So easy. Look at that. Grandchildren, did you find the bee? It was pretty hidden today. Well, actually, there is one right there. I didn't even see that one till right now. I saw that right here. And it says on there what we all need to do. Be kind. If you love this recipe, please share it with others. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media. And have a sweet day. Remember, 4 things. You can use this in soup, salad, sauces, and sides. I should have quizzed you on that. These turned out a little toastier, so I'm gonna actually have a snack with cinnamon.